Turn on. To activate or start. Turn on the TV. I want to watch a program. Turn off. To stop or deactivate. Turn off the TV. It's time to go to bed. Find out. To discover or learn information. You can find out more details on their website. Can you find out if the restaurant is open on Sundays? Look after. To take care of someone or something. Can you look after my dog while I'm away? My grandparents need someone to look after them. Give up. To stop doing something. I need to give up smoking. My doctor says I need to give up fast food. Put away. To put something in its place. I put away all the toys, then cleaned the room. She put away the books on the shelf. Throw away. To discard or get rid of something. The bananas were rotten, so I threw them away. He threw away his bad habits and started a healthy lifestyle. Get along. To have a good relationship. My parents and I get along well. It's important to get along with your classmates. Calm down. To become less upset or angry. Please calm down, everything will be fine. He drank some water to calm down his nerves. Come across. To find by chance. I came across an old friend of mine yesterday. She came across an old photo album in the attic. Look into. To investigate or examine. The police are looking into the case. We should look into ways to save more money.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you next time.